Hey, what size boxing glove should I purchase? Hey Punch Fitters, this is Chris Hunter, owner of Punch Fit, and this is a question that I get asked all the time. So let's dive into this topic and see if we can find the right answer for you. Typically speaking, combat sports enthusiasts can be grouped into one of three categories: combat fitness, combat competitor, and the combat fan. The combat fitness enthusiast will really benefit from the 16-ounce glove. The core demographic for this group is the college student, the stay-at-home parent, the working professional, and the retiree. And they come in all different shapes, sizes, ages, and fitness levels. Their goals are to lose weight, tone up, build strength, increase confidence, and have fun doing it. Busy schedules generally only allow for 2 to 4 classes per week, and while form and safety is a #1 priority, this group typically focuses on fitness and not conditioning drills an athlete would train to prepare for competition. The extra padding in the 16-ounce gloves helps reduce the chance of injury when hitting objects such as heavy bags, focus mitts, and tie pads. The extra padding found in a 16-ounce glove can greatly reduce the stress on your knuckles when doing such movements as push-ups, sprawls, and of course the dreaded burpees that you find in most fitness-style boxing studios. Now, if you're looking for those super sexy toned arms, the added weight of wearing 16-ounce gloves is the same as doing an endurance-style arm workout with a 1-pound weight in each hand. 1 pound may not seem like a lot, but trust me, these gloves get heavy quick. The competitor is a completely different beast and must train towards their specific goal of fighting another individual in the ring. Finds themselves training 6 to 7 days per week training towards that specific goal. Their training includes skill and conditioning drills that prepare their knuckles, body, and joints to take repeated abuse that would make most boxing fitness enthusiasts run right out of the gym. The combat competitor also wants to train in the same style glove that they need to use in competition. As a result, they feel most comfortable in the 10 to 8-ounce glove. Now, the combat fan is a blend of the fitness enthusiast and the competitor. The fan attends classes to learn technique, and they also find the benefit in both the competition and the fitness element of combat sport. Although they may not be looking to enter the ring, they do find themselves hitting heavy bags and sparring. If you fall in this category and can only buy 1 pair of boxing gloves, for this group, I recommend choosing the size of the glove based on your weight and your height. This size chart was taken from Hayabusa's website, and I will also include a link below. It's important to note, if my opinion contradicts your coach's, it doesn't mean either of us are wrong. Rather, every coach has their own opinion on what boxing glove is best for their students. So what size boxing glove do I personally use? I use the appropriate glove based on the training that I'm doing. For example, I prefer the 16-ounce glove when doing cardio on the heavy bag and I just want to burn out my arm. And when I'm working with a partner on the focus mitts, tie pads, and or sparring, I like to go with a smaller glove, either the 10 or the 12-ounce. And I like to use open palm MMA gloves when doing combat style training and need to transition quickly between weights, weapons, and striking. Pew pew! Pew pew! All right, Punch Fitters, now that is how I recommend picking out a pair of boxing gloves for customers when they come and ask me what size should I get. But now what I want to know is what's your opinion? So in the comments below, let me know what boxing glove sizes you're currently using and why. I love expanding my knowledge based on other people's experiences. If you found this video helpful and providing you the knowledge that you need to pick out the right size gloves for the training application that you're currently doing, please give me a thumbs up to let me know that I'm doing a good job. If you haven't already and you like this content, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that bell so that way you get notified of any new video releases. Until next time, get fit, get strong, and get tough.